All right, these are for real this time, the last three rocks. I'm gonna do this galaxy stone, which is really cool. I'm gonna do this, which to me looks mostly quartzy, but we'll see if it's got agate in it. Agate quartz. And this galaxy stone. Oh, and also this big galaxy stone looking rock thing. We're gonna see what this is last. Okay, so we have to start off with this slab because I have to hold it. So, start a little peek. Whoa, what? Look at that. It's got some agate stuff in there. That's so freaking cool. Look at that pattern. And then I slabbed it so you can see the next slab. And there's the agate quartzy stuff kind of going on through. Here's the other side. Ooh. So cool. There's the next slice. So you can see this keeps going all the way through. And then there's some other little pockets. This rock is very cool. And then, I don't think I showed the other side. What's the other side? There's the next slice. And there's the other side. Check this out. That is so cool. I'm gonna look at this one under the microscope too. That's like a little, I mean, that's flat, but you can see down inside of it. That is so freaking cool. And then here's the last slice. I just want to look at this one up close everywhere. Okay, and we have this. This ended up being mostly quartz. Well, I guess not. This is kind of cool too. It didn't go, well, that's pretty cool. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. A little crystal pocket in there. So that's the inside of this guy. And then let's look at the galaxy stones. So we'll start with this one. Galaxy stone number 1. Pretty cool on the outside. I wish I could have slabbed him a little bit more, but here we go. Wow. is pretty rad. Look at that. And then here's the other side. Ooh. These aren't even my coolest rocks. These are just my trial rocks for the first day on my saw. Okay, so let's take a look at this Galaxy Stone. I slabbed this one too, but it kind of came apart. So we'll peek at this one so you can see. I was really sad that this came apart because check that out. That's so cool. This part right here. It's really neat. And then we'll do this piece. You can hear the dog next door who barks constantly. Here's this piece. And I kind of wanted to cut him a little bit more, but I didn't feel like I could without it falling apart. So here's this one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. What? Look at that. These little fellas. That is definitely... Okay, my phone died, so we're gonna do, we left off with this one. Whoa, remember? Okay, that's where we left off. Now I'm gonna show you the other pieces to this Galaxy Stone. What? Wow. Look at this. Hold on, let it adjust. That is so freaking cool. I can't believe that we have so many of these. So I'm gonna keep cutting them open this weekend and see what's in the other ones. These were just my test rocks. These aren't even the best ones. And look how cool they are. I need to polish this. This is really cool. I wish there weren't all the gaps, but here's the other side. Wow. This is very, very cool. I'm so excited about all of the Galaxy Stones that I have. I'm going to basically just take an entire day and cut these open. Tons. All right, last slice. Last slice. Here's side one. It's got some dirt. I need to wash them off. Ooh. I can't wait to polish this. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at this. It's like little clusters. Look at that. I can't wait to look at this under a microscope. Look, the little starburst. And pockets of crystal. I mean, this is just really, really wild. I had no idea that this was a thing. This is so cool. Okay. So for today's rock cutting session. Cut a lot of rocks. So many things to see. That one's still so cool.